Hello, I'm Mike Kibler of Kibler's Typewriter Company, and this is an advertisement for a green Royal Portable Typewriter, serial number P262466, May 1936, and is available on my site. No wonder Royal is still in business today. I mean, look at this. It's absolutely beautiful. I mean, when Royal first started manufacturing portables in the 1930s, this was the second line of portables, and which would become the most powerful in the world eventually, for use in the office, at home, even in the military, for those of you who've seen Saving Private Ryan or other military films as such. They were known for their sturdiness, and they were known for their comfortable typing experience, as well as their amazing appearance. I mean, Royal offered hundreds of different combinations of colors for your machine. In fact, I saw on eBay recently a machine where Royal had actually had an artist paint it with like a depiction of heaven. So I thought that was pretty cool. I mean, that's why the serial numbers go up into the 3 millions. So before I proceed any further, I'm just going to read you the decals. Not a lot of this machine. That one says Royal. Big surprise there. Oh, do you like my new camera, by the way? I like the quality of it. That one says Royal Typewriter Company Incorporated, New York, protected by American and foreign patents, made in the United States of America. And there's one in the case too, which is a fabric-covered wood case, new handle. And it's just a warning. It says you should not use rubbing alcohol to clean this machine. Oh, and it's attached to the wood base, so the feet I could not replace because it was delicately attached, but they do have some feet on the bottom of the case, but you can't take it off. They're just attached to screws to the typewriter. This machine was made with a duotone of green, lighter green that goes into the darker green. See it right there too. Oh, but look, you can see a reflection in this. It's really nice. See the camera and the light. And to complement that, you could have either white or black glass keys, which offer a smoother typing experience. This person chose black glass keys, which is standard QWERTY keyboard with single carriage shift. Some of their features include ribbon spool covers for the ribbon spools, which kept the dirt out of the ribbon, so they're dust covers. And it comes with a brand new 2-color ribbon, automatic ribbon reverse. It also comes with stencils with its 2-color ribbon. So yeah, it's a really nice machine. I'm going to do a quick typing test now, show you its capabilities. I'm going to show you how to type. Yeah, it's on black. The plating is in also really good condition too. So the typing test I'm going to do is the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, which uses every letter of the alphabet to test for defective type bars and keys. Here we go. Oh, whoops. And it has this weird font. I think it's pretty retro, actually. The quick brown fox jumps with the lazy dog. I also oiled all the keys. That was just me being quick on the keyboard. Nothing wrong with the machine itself. So yeah, that's just about it. Once again, this typewriter is for sale on my site. You can find it in the upper right hand corner of the YouTube box, or if you're on my site, you know you're already here. Now, pretty soon I'm going to start accepting PayPal accounts, but you'll see that on my site. Otherwise, just contact me if you want to buy it. It's $160 plus shipping, and thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this machine or other machines, or just want me to make a video, or just have questions about Typewriter in general, just contact me, and yeah, I'll do my best to help you out. This has been an advertisement by Kibber's Typewriter Company, and until next time, see you later.